Hello everybody, welcome back. You must be remembering I had made a video a few days back about the school fees issue of Delhi schools, which is pending before the courts and is a issue for various parents and also issue for the association of the schools. So today is the second part of this video, and what I had said in the last video, here are a few clips of that. And now these directions are: firstly, schools will collect annual fee from students of academic year 2019-20 by providing a deduction of 15%, because court has also observed that it is correct that the schools are physically not working. So taking into consideration broadly, they have decided to cut the total fee by reducing the fee by 15%. Now the amount, second point is that the amount will be paid in equal monthly installments by students starting from 10th June 2021. Then next is schools can decide on giving further concession to the students. Schools will not debar the students from taking online classes, those who have not paid the fee, and they will ensure that no student is withheld in the board exams for non-payment of this fee. As you have seen, after this, against this order, the Directorate of Education, they have filed a LPA, which is the appeal against this order before a division bench of Delhi High Court for staying this order and also challenging to quash this order. Now the scenario is that Delhi High Court has not stayed this order, and they have fixed the next date in July. The Directorate of Education Council stated in the court that the judgment, the Rajasthan State of Rajasthan judgment, based on which Delhi High Court has given this judgment, that the facts of that case are different. In that case, the schools had already started operating partially, but in Delhi, no schools were operating. So that is why that judgment, it does not reflect correctly on the facts of the Delhi High Court case, and so the Delhi High Court should not have applied that order exactly for the Delhi schools. And the second thing which is submitted by the lawyer of Directorate of Education was that the schools, they are meeting the fee from the 40-60% of the tuition fee was enough for payment of salaries towards the teachers, which is the only expenses the schools are incurring right now, which has not been right now accepted by Delhi High Court, and they're saying that they need to examine this issue in depth, and so they cannot give a stay. And for this, the matter has been fixed in Delhi High Court in July. And also the Directorate of Education, they have also filed SLP before the Supreme Court of India, which will be listed very soon. And in that, they have stated that schools had surplus funds ranging from rupees 1 crore to rupees 48 crores, and they have challenged the Delhi High Court single bench order in SLP. So still we are waiting, let's see what happens. And the scenario right now is that the schools, they can recover the fees of the previous academic session from the parents, the students, as per the schedule given by Delhi High Court. They can seek the fee, the outstanding fee as arrears of last academic year in installments, and also in future they will continue taking the development charges and the annual charges also in form of installments monthly. So this is the latest update about this issue, and if there is any development from this SLP, I will keep you posted. Keep following my channel for this.